Welcome to the newly renamed Cloud Hill Guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Canon C70 and why it freezes when being used with the DJI RS2. Don't go anywhere. Now, the equipment we're going to be using today is the Canon C70 and the DJI RS2. And if you want to know more about them, we have dropped some links in the description if you want to go and find out about them. Let's jump straight into it. So you're out filming with your C70 on your RS2 and you're recording a clip, you stop, and suddenly you see something that you want to record again and you hit record straight away. What happens? The C70 locks up. Can you do anything with it? No, you press buttons, you turn it on and off, nothing happens. It is frozen. And the only way to sort that out is battery off, battery on, let the camera reboot it, and you've already missed your shot. Now this is really annoying, but we've worked out when this happens. So if you look on the back of the camera itself, you've got a red recording tally light that comes up on the screen. Now when you stop recording, this switches over to a standby green text, and like I said, it then switches back to red. Now it does not switch instantly, so the minute you hit record, the record disappears, but the green steady text does not come back on straight away. It flashes first. Now, if you hit record again before that text flashes, that is when your camera locks up. And like I said, battery off, battery on again time. So the interim sort of workaround, aside from not using the buttons on the DJI RS2, is to make sure that you let that flash happen before you hit record again. Now, I know it might be really tempting because something's happening right in front of you, but if you don't want the camera to lock up, that's the only thing that we found that works. Now, I have spoken to Canon about this, and obviously they said, well, you are using a third-party device with the camera. There's only so much that each company can do to make things work seamlessly. So I don't know if it's improved on the DJI RS3. I've not had a chance to have a play with that yet, but this is a workaround with the RS2, which is one of our workhorse stabilizers that we use. So like I said, not a perfect solution, but I hope it helps you save some time. It sticks in your mind, and you remember to just pause just that split second. It really is a split second from it going from record to blank to green. And I hope it helps you out and helps you out with your filming and helps you out with the frustrations that sometimes can come with it. Short and sweet video today. I hope you found it helpful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up. Why not subscribe? And we'll see you in the next video.